Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we dive into the most fascinating stories from the worlds of technology, space, and science. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share some amazing deals and discoveries with you today. As we explore the vast expanse of online shopping, we've come across some incredible offers that are out of this world. Amazon is clearing out some fantastic products, including a Dell 15.6 2B touchscreen laptop that's perfect for students and professionals. This powerful machine is fueled by an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, has a massive 64 GB of RAM, and a TWAT BSD for near instantaneous boot times. And the best part? It's available at a whopping 61% discount, making it an unbeatable deal. But that's not all. Amazon is also offering a record low price on an electric scooter that's perfect for commuting or just having fun. This sleek ride is normally priced much higher, but Amazon is cutting its margin to bring it to you at an unbeatable price. Whether you're looking for a reliable laptop or a fun way to get around, these deals are sure to excite. And if you thought those deals were amazing, wait until you hear about the rare exoplanet that's been discovered orbiting two stars at a wild 90-degree angle. This incredible find is a reminder of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of our universe. We'll also be talking about other fascinating stories, including the rewiring of the Social Security Administration with AI, and an EcoFlow portable battery that's back to its Black Friday price. It's going to be a wild ride, folks. So buckle up and get ready for some mind-blowing news. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're diving into the fascinating world of physics and materials science. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking discovery in the field of quantum Kagome antiferromagnets. Our listeners might be wondering, what exactly is a Kagome antiferromagnet? Well, let me break it down for you. Imagine a lattice structure made up of triangles, similar to the pattern found in traditional Japanese Kagome baskets. This unique arrangement of atoms or molecules exhibits some remarkable properties, particularly when it comes to magnetism. Researchers have been studying these materials to gain insights into their behavior, and a recent study has shed some light on the phenomenon of a gapless dispersive continuum in a modulated quantum Kagome antiferromagnet. Essentially, this means that the material's magnetic excitations can be described as a continuous, dispersion-like spectrum, rather than discrete energy levels. This discovery has significant implications for our understanding of quantum materials and their potential applications. The team of scientists behind this study used neutron scattering experiments to investigate the properties of a modulated quantum Kagome antiferromagnet. By analyzing the data, they were able to identify the presence of a gapless dispersive continuum, which is a characteristic feature of these materials. This finding opens up new avenues for research into the behavior of quantum Kagome antiferromagnets and their potential uses in advanced technologies. As we continue to explore the mysteries of quantum materials, we're reminded of the incredible complexity and beauty of the physical world. The discovery of a gapless dispersive continuum in a modulated quantum Kagome antiferromagnet is just one example of the many fascinating phenomena that await us at the forefront of scientific research. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're wrapping up another fantastic episode, and I'm excited to dive into our final segment. Today, we've been exploring the wonders of space and the importance of continued exploration. But as we push the boundaries of what's possible, we also need to consider the potential consequences of our actions. A recent article caught my attention, highlighting the need for a balanced approach to space exploration. With private companies like SpaceX leading the charge, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of progress. However, we mustn't forget that spacefaring should be a public sector-led endeavor, serving all humanity, not just private interests. The article argues that the commercialization of space poses significant risks, including the proliferation of space, junk, and light pollution. As astronomers struggle to conduct their research amidst the increasing number of satellites, it's clear that we need regulations in place to mitigate these effects. A public sector-led approach would prioritize the greater good, ensuring that space exploration benefits everyone, not just a select few. But here's the thing. Some might say that we should focus on solving our problems here on Earth before venturing into space. And I get it. There are certainly pressing issues that need attention. However, the truth is that space exploration can actually help us address some of these challenges. From monitoring climate change to developing new technologies, the benefits of space research are numerous. So, what's the solution? It's not about choosing between space exploration and solving our problems on Earth. Rather, it's about recognizing that we can do both. As the article points out, the European Space Agency's budget is a mere €7.80 billion, compared to the €240 billion spent on defense by EU states. The United States NASA budget is $25 billion, while the Department of Defense has over $2 trillion at its disposal. The point is that we can afford to invest in space exploration without sacrificing our priorities here on Earth. In fact, it's essential that we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, inspiring future generations and driving innovation. As we close out today's episode, I want to leave you with a sense of wonder and awe. Space exploration is not just about the science. It's about the human spirit. It's about our innate curiosity and desire to explore the unknown. So, let's keep looking up at those stars, shall we? That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.